Hi, my name is Rishabh Gupta. I'm here to present the Yo-Yo or Beep Test app design. Right now, we are in the app home screen. As you can see, all the latest tests that are scheduled are showing over here. So it's a notification for a coaches that these to do he has to do on this particular date. If he clicks on this cross button, this notification will go from the screen. Now, if you want to start a test, we need to click the start button. But before that, let's create some new test. So on tapping on that plus button, it will redirect you to the next test screen. In this screen, coach or anyone who is scheduling the test can set the location of this test, date. Suppose I am clicking 21 Feb and the time. There are two options to choose participants, either by their names, so that is by default selected, or he can choose by team. To select participants by their name, you need to tap on these tiles. So suppose I want to choose these three participants, so I will tap on their tiles and it will get selected. If I want to choose a team for this test, I need to click select by team. In this screen, teams are showing which we have created on the team screen that we will show later on. Now I am going to click on this team 1. It will be selected. You can save, click on save button. So that test is added on their home screen, showing latest on the first. Now let's start the test. Once you will start any test, it will show the participant list. At any time you can edit this test. It will redirect you to the edit test screen where you can change any details as per your needs. Click save, will redirect you to the home page or that test page. Now we are going to start the test.
The multi-stage fitness test will start in 5 seconds. Ready.
Start level 1.
So as soon you click the start button, it will start the
Level
timer.
1, 2.
Start the timer and your test will begin. There will be a Bluetooth connectivity, so you
Level
can connect.
1, 3.
You can connect to the speaker. You can pause and play. You can reset the test.
Level 1, 4.
At any time, you can add more participants to this test by clicking this plus button. So you will click this any plus button, or you can search athletes by their names.
The multi-stage fitness test will start in 5 seconds. Ready.
You can click one button if you want to give warning to any athlete,
Start level 1.
or finish the test.
Level 1, 2.
In order to stop the test, you need to click the stop test button. It will redirect it to the test screen. We have option to search test results by clicking the search button, or we can filter using the filter options. Now if you want to see the test results, you need to tap this tile. It's a team test, so it's showing a complete summary of their test, like who has conducted the test and how many participants are there, location of the test, test ID and a test date, along with the participant list. To view the result of any participant, you need to click on view result. It will redirect you to the test athlete test results screen. So these tiles are showing the test results of this athlete. In order to change, edit any details, you need to tap on these tiles. Suppose you need to change the level of this athlete, you need to tap on this. It will show this kind of pop-up where you have option to drag or click on this plus and minus button to change the levels, like this. So once you save, it will get updated over there. There's an option to see the graphical view of this result. So if you click on this graphical, it will show you the graph of result details. Now if you want to delete the test result of this athlete, you need to click that delete button. It will ask you to whether you want to delete this test or not. So once you click on this delete button, that participant has been deleted and there is a notification came that result has been deleted. Let's check the side menu options which we have right now. Starting from home button, schedule new test, athletes page, teams page, results page, settings, help, FAQ and logger we haven't created because it's not covered in the SRS document. If you click on the home button, it will redirect you to the home page like this. If you click on the schedule new test, it will redirect you to the new test schedule. If you click on the athlete page, it will redirect you to the athletes page. You can search athlete by their names, add new athlete over here, or delete any athlete from this app. Similarly, we have teams page. Right now we have 2 teams available that we have created. If you need to add more teams or any new team, you need to tap on this plus button. It will show this kind of pop-up where you have option to upload the team logo, write the team name, select the participants. So once you click on any participant name, it will add like this on that group. One more time, if we delete, it will remove like this. We have a gestures control in this app as well, so you can swipe up and swipe down to bring this kind of pop-up. That's it from my side. Thank you.